I got an amazing idea in my head to make an ad for the iPhone 17, which hasn't even been released yet. I tried it using the best AI tool right now for creating videos, ads and everything. It turned out so professional that honestly, if Apple saw this video, they might even consider buying it. It looks like a real cinematic commercial. I'm just joking, of course. In this video, I'm going to show you how ads like this are made, the one you're about to see in a moment, and also how you can get access to Veo 3 and Kling AI, plus the newest AI tools, without paying for each one separately. Because instead of paying for every single tool, you'll only pay once on one platform, and you'll get access to all the latest AI tools in every field: image creation, video generation, upscaling, and so many other features that I can't even list right now. Back to the main topic. This AI created an iPhone ad for me with amazing sound effects and high quality. The secret, my friends, lies in how you request the ad, how you write the prompt. Now let's watch the ad together, and please give me your honest opinion about the quality, the details, the effects, and everything. But before that, make sure to like this video, blow it up with likes and subscriptions, turn on the notification bell, and share it everywhere. I also made another ad for coffee, and I was shocked because all the ads generated by this platform are just incredible. You just need to know how to request them properly. So let's watch the first ad. Give me your ratings in the comments about this cinematic professional ad. And if you like it, now you're going to see another coffee ad. I asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt in the same style to create a luxury coffee ad. It provided all the details, suggested everything, basically chose everything itself. After it gave me the prompt, I went straight to OpenArt to try it. This time, instead of using Veo 3, I used another tool called Kling AI. Luckily, OpenArt gave us access, and thanks to it, I was able to use AI tools that are normally very hard to get. So if you want to use OpenArt like this and create videos, films, cartoons, ads like these, or anything else you want, I'll leave the link to the site in the description and pinned comment, along with a bonus discount code. If you use it, you'll get a faster discount. Try it, enjoy the platform, and create as many professional videos as you want for your project, your products, for selling, or anything else you want to achieve. It's one of the most important AI platforms right now in 2025. And don't worry about anything, it constantly adds the latest AI tools and platforms. So let's watch the ad. Honestly, the ad in terms of quality, sound, and everything else was really good, but I felt like something was missing. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to give me another prompt to create a new coffee ad. I tried again, and the result was mind-blowing, so luxurious, you can't even describe it. I downloaded the video directly in high quality and without a watermark. Now it's your turn to decide. Which ad do you like more? The one I made with Veo 3 for the iPhone, or the coffee ad I made with Kling AI? As I told you earlier, at the start of the video, I mentioned that to make a professional ad, you must write a professional prompt. The prompt is basically your written request. Instead of just going into OpenArt, choosing a tool and typing something simple like, "Make me an iPhone ad with a black screen," and so on, that kind of basic request will generate a very poor video, full of mistakes. The right way is to ask ChatGPT for a professional prompt the AI can understand. The best method is JSON prompting. It gives a structured format with clear details like color, name, and style, so the AI produces a perfect ad. Or just click the link I'll leave. It takes you straight to the page where you can request any ad video easily. You'll find the OpenArt link in the pinned comment and description. Use it and benefit from all these features. Don't forget to use the discount code to save some money. That's the advantage. If you want to make a video, click on Video, Text to Video. This turns text into video. Or, if you already have an image, like we tried in the previous video, you can animate it, move it, and do anything you want. Thank you, my friends. Please like the video if you enjoyed this kind of content where we test platforms and create ads or other creative ideas. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Thanks.